And moving on to our last segment, which is Clip of the Week. We've got a video from the Paranormal Patch, who hit me up on Twitter with a clip from their most recent YouTube video that they thought deserved it. And after watching it, it definitely does. Here it is.
I have this irrational fear of like a dog getting up and walking towards me, and like I'm having a fucking panic attack thinking about it. So that's why I am spooked right now. So I am definitely on edge. This is... What the fuck was that noise? What the fuck was that noise? What the fuck was that noise?
So massive shout outs to our Creator of the Week and Clip of the Week. Lainey, let's give him a big Lainey and Ben round of applause.